Money management isn't just about making more, it's about keeping and growing what you already have. Many people struggle financially, not because they don't earn enough, but because they fall into bad habits that drain their wealth over time. The way you handle money daily determines your long-term financial future. Even with a high income, poor money habits can leave you living paycheck to paycheck, always wondering where your money went. Whether it's overspending, ignoring investments, or failing to plan for the future, these financial mistakes can cost you thousands, if not millions, over a lifetime. Understanding how to control your financial behaviors is the first step toward long-term prosperity. True wealth isn't just for the lucky, it's for those who make smart financial decisions consistently, build solid habits, and stay disciplined over time. The good news? Bad habits can be broken, and with the right mindset, you can start building financial stability today, no matter where you're starting from. Most people aren't taught how to manage money properly, so it's no surprise that they struggle. But once you become aware of these habits and make a conscious effort to change them, your financial situation can transform. If you've been struggling with money or feeling like you're stuck in a cycle of financial stress, now is the time to take control. No matter how bad your past financial choices have been, there is always a way forward. Let's explore the most damaging money habits that hold people back from financial success and, more importantly, how you can replace them with smarter strategies. By eliminating these common financial pitfalls, you can take a major step toward financial security, wealth creation, and ultimately, financial freedom. Stay tuned until the end to unlock the key to transforming your financial life. And before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful money tips that will help you take control of your financial future. 1. Overspending on lifestyle instead of investing in your future. One of the biggest money mistakes people make is living beyond their means, often without even realizing it. When income increases, so does spending, leading to a cycle where savings never grow. This phenomenon, known as lifestyle inflation, keeps many from building true wealth. The temptation to upgrade to luxury brands, buy the latest gadgets, lease expensive cars, and eat out frequently is strong, but it can be financially devastating in the long run. Many people mistake a higher income for wealth, but true financial success isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. When you spend every dollar you earn, you're not giving your money the opportunity to work for you. Instead of falling into the trap of spending more as you earn more, focus on financial growth. Allocate a portion of every paycheck to investments, savings, and emergency funds before indulging in non-essential expenses. The wealthiest people prioritize financial security over instant gratification, ensuring that they are always building their net worth rather than simply consuming. Remember, small sacrifices today can lead to massive rewards in the future. It's not about never enjoying your money, it's about being mindful of where it goes. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, does this bring long-term financial value, or is it just a short-term pleasure? When you start thinking like an investor rather than a consumer, your financial situation will begin to transform, and wealth accumulation will happen naturally over time. 2. Ignoring the power of budgeting and tracking expenses. Many people avoid budgeting because they think it's restrictive or unnecessary. But in reality, without a budget, it's impossible to know where your money is going. A lack of awareness leads to unnecessary spending, financial leaks, and missed opportunities to grow wealth. Many small, unnoticed purchases, subscriptions, daily coffee runs, impulse buys, can add up to thousands of dollars over a year without you even realizing it. Wealthy individuals don't leave their finances to chance, they meticulously track every dollar. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about taking control of your financial destiny. By creating a budget, you gain a clear picture of your cash flow and can make intentional choices that align with your long-term goals. Start by reviewing your expenses from the last 3 months. Identify where your money is going, and categorize expenses into necessities, investments, and discretionary spending. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Set specific savings goals and automate them so that saving becomes effortless. Make it a habit to review your finances weekly. A simple 5-minute check-in can help you stay on top of your budget and make necessary adjustments. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. When you have a solid financial plan in place, you will find it much easier to build wealth and create financial freedom for yourself and your family. 3. Relying too much on credit cards and debt. Credit cards can be a powerful financial tool when used correctly, but they become dangerous when misused. Many people rely on credit cards to finance a lifestyle they can't afford, only to face crushing interest rates and never-ending payments. High-interest debt is one of the fastest ways to destroy your financial future. If you constantly carry a balance, you're giving away money to banks instead of using it to build wealth. Interest payments can quickly spiral out of control, trapping you in a cycle of debt that is difficult to escape. Many people only make the minimum payment each month, unaware that they are prolonging their debt for years while wasting thousands in interest. The best way to avoid unnecessary debt is to only spend what you can afford to pay off in full each month. If you're already in credit card debt, prioritize paying off high-interest balances as quickly as possible. Consider the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to eliminate your balances strategically. Use credit wisely. Focus on building your credit score through responsible spending, earning rewards, and avoiding unnecessary borrowing. The key to financial freedom is not owing money, it's owning your financial future. Instead of financing your lifestyle with debt, focus on increasing your income, saving aggressively, and making smart investments that will pay off in the long run. 4. Neglecting investments and letting money sit idle. Many people fear investing because they don't understand it, but keeping money in a savings account won't make you rich. Inflation slowly erodes the value of cash, reducing its purchasing power year after year. Simply saving money is not enough, you need to put it to work. Wealthy individuals understand that investing is the key to long-term financial growth. Whether it's stocks, real estate, index funds, or starting a business, investing allows your money to multiply over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, turning small contributions into significant wealth. You don't need to be a financial expert to invest. Simple, low-cost index funds or automated investment platforms make it easy for beginners to start growing their money. Even if you start small, consistent investing over decades can build substantial wealth. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back from taking advantage of investment opportunities. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is now. Start small, learn as you go, and make investing a regular part of your financial plan. 5. Not having an emergency fund for financial security. Life is unpredictable, and financial emergencies can happen at any time. Unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can destroy your finances if you're not prepared. Many people rely on credit cards or loans in emergencies, pushing them deeper into debt. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. Set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Start small if you have to. Even saving a few dollars a week adds up over time. An emergency fund isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It protects you from financial disaster and allows you to navigate unexpected situations without stress. Make this a priority today to secure your financial future. 6. Failing to set clear financial goals and sticking to them. Many people want to be wealthy, but without clear financial goals, their efforts often lack direction. Wishing for financial success isn't enough, you need a concrete plan with measurable targets. Without specific goals, it's easy to fall into the habit of aimlessly earning and spending, never building true wealth. Financially successful people set short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals, mapping out the steps required to achieve them. A short-term goal might be saving a certain amount each month, while a mid-term goal could be buying a home or paying off debt. Long-term goals often include retirement planning and building passive income streams. But setting goals isn't just about writing them down, it's about commitment and consistent action. When you define your financial goals, break them down into manageable steps, and hold yourself accountable, you give yourself a clear path to follow. Revisit and adjust these goals regularly as your income and life circumstances change. Without goals, money flows in and out without purpose, but with a solid plan, every dollar serves a greater objective. If you haven't set financial goals yet, start today, your future self will thank you. 7. Letting fear and lack of knowledge hold you back from investing. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is avoiding investing due to fear or lack of knowledge. Many believe investing is risky or complicated, so they keep their money in savings accounts that barely keep up with inflation. But the truth is, avoiding investments is often riskier than making strategic investment choices. The wealthy understand that money should work for them, not just sit idle. Investing in assets such as stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or businesses allows your wealth to grow over time. It's understandable to fear losses, but with proper research, education, and diversification, you can minimize risks and maximize returns. The stock market has historically trended upward despite short-term fluctuations, meaning long-term investors often come out ahead. Even if you start with a small amount, the power of compound interest can turn modest investments into substantial wealth over decades. Instead of fearing investing, take the time to learn. Read financial books, follow expert advice, and start with simple investments like index funds. The sooner you start, the better your financial future will look. Fear should never be the reason you miss out on opportunities to build wealth. 8. Not taking advantage of passive income and multiple revenue streams. Relying solely on one source of income is one of the most common financial mistakes people make. Many believe that working harder at their job is the only way to achieve financial success. While earning a good salary is important, depending entirely on active income limits your financial growth. What happens if you lose your job or an economic downturn affects your industry? The wealthy understand the importance of passive income, earning money without constant active effort. This can come from rental properties, dividends from stocks, automated online businesses, or royalties from creative work. The key is to build multiple income streams that provide financial security even when you're not actively working. By diversifying your income sources, you protect yourself from financial instability and open up more opportunities to grow your wealth. Imagine having income from various sources so that if one stream slows down, others keep you financially secure. Start by exploring side hustles, investments, or online opportunities that generate passive income. The sooner you build multiple revenue streams, the faster you can achieve financial freedom. 9. Ignoring tax planning and overpaying every year. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses people face, yet many fail to optimize their tax strategy. Overpaying taxes or failing to take advantage of deductions, credits, and tax-advantaged accounts can cost thousands over a lifetime. Wealthy individuals and businesses use tax laws to their advantage, legally minimizing their liabilities while maximizing their wealth. There are countless legal ways to reduce your tax burden, including contributing to retirement accounts, deducting business expenses, and investing in tax-friendly assets. Many people avoid tax planning because they think it's complicated, but ignoring it means giving away more money than necessary. Hiring a financial advisor or accountant can help you identify areas where you can save. Even simple steps like keeping better financial records, understanding deductions, or using tax-efficient investment strategies can make a big difference. The more money you legally save on taxes, the more you have to invest and grow your wealth. Don't wait until tax season to think about taxes. Start planning today, and you'll be surprised at how much you can keep. 10. Waiting too long to start building wealth and regretting missed opportunities. One of the most costly financial mistakes people make is delaying their wealth-building efforts, often under the illusion that there is plenty of time to start saving, investing, or improving their financial situation. Many individuals tell themselves that they will begin when they earn more, when their expenses decrease, or when they finally have it all figured out, but this mindset leads to years of missed opportunities. The reality is that the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to achieve financial freedom. The power of compound interest overwhelmingly favors those who start early. A person who begins investing in their 20s can accumulate significantly more wealth than someone who starts in their 40s, even if they contribute the same amount over time, simply because their money has had more time to grow. Waiting too long to save for retirement, invest in assets, or develop strong financial habits often leads to deep regret later in life. Many people in their 50s and 60s look back and wish they had taken wealth building seriously decades earlier, but by then, catching up requires far greater effort and sacrifices. Time is the most valuable financial asset anyone can have, and every year that passes without taking action is a lost opportunity that can never be reclaimed. The earlier you begin saving and investing, the less effort is required to accumulate long-term wealth. Even if you're starting later in life, the most important thing is to take action now rather than never starting at all. It's never too late to turn things around. Begin by setting clear financial goals that align with your long-term vision, cutting unnecessary expenses that drain your income, investing wisely in assets that appreciate over time, and creating multiple income streams to secure your future. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or beyond, you still have the power to build financial security through consistent effort and smart decision-making. The worst financial mistake isn't failing, it's never trying at all. If you want to break free from financial struggles, the best time to start is today. Financial success isn't about luck, it's about the choices you make every single day. If you continue to follow bad money habits, you'll remain stuck in the same financial struggles, watching others build wealth while you fall behind. But the good news is that you have the power to change your financial destiny starting right now. Every dollar you earn is an opportunity to grow your wealth, but only if you manage it wisely. Stop overspending on things that don't add value to your future. Start budgeting and tracking where your money goes, and invest in assets that multiply your earnings over time. True wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. If you keep ignoring investments, relying on a single paycheck, or failing to plan for the future, financial freedom will always feel out of reach. The people who achieve financial success don't wait for the perfect moment, they take action even when it's uncomfortable. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to break free from bad financial cycles. Instead of wasting money on things that provide only short-term happiness, focus on building long-term stability. Cut unnecessary expenses, build multiple income streams, and educate yourself on the smartest ways to grow wealth. The key to financial success is consistency. Small changes today can lead to massive results in the future. Don't let fear, procrastination, or bad habits hold you back from the financial life you deserve. The sooner you break free from these money mistakes, the sooner you'll experience true financial security. You don't need to be rich to start making smarter financial choices. You just need the determination to do better than yesterday. If you've made financial mistakes in the past, don't let them define your future. The most important step is deciding to take control of your finances today. Commit to making smarter money decisions, and over time, you'll see how much your efforts pay off. Financial success is possible for anyone willing to learn, adapt, and take action. Start now, stay disciplined, and watch your financial future transform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing financial strategies.